You're welcome to this video. We're going to learn how to blend two images together. If you take a good look at this image, you see that this is two images. We're going to learn how to blend it nicely together. So I'm going to undo everything and repeat it. So this is my canvas. I'm going to import the two images I want to use. So I simply go to my file, place linked, and choose this image and say placed. And this is image, and I hold my Alt key to adjust it on both sides. Then I bring it down. Then it's time for my second image. Do the same thing. I go to file, place linked. Then I'll choose a white background this time, and I'll say place link. And here is the second image. So I'm going to push it down. And that is it. Now to have that effect, I'll click on this bottom one, which is this. Then I'll go to layer mask, this place, which is layer mask. And I'll click. So I'll go and get brush. I choose this brush, or I press B on the keyboard. Then I can adjust my brush here, size. I can adjust it here, make it very big, or I can adjust it gradually. Click on the layer mask, and I'm going to click above here. So I want to hide, and that is how to do this effect. You can still adjust, and at the end of the day, if you feel like the bottom part is too small, you can still drag this up, and that is it. If I hold Control Shift or S, let's see what we have done. So if you look over here, I still have this hash transition here. So I'll go back and correct that. So I'm going to zoom in. I'll hold Alt and click this mouse wheel. So look at that hash transition. So I'll go back, click on layer mask, click on brush. This time I'm going to reduce my brush, and I'm going to take all those things away. So if I say Control Shift Alt S one more time, and I come here, and that is gone. So I have a nice transition. So that is how to create this effect in Photoshop. And if you go to About Photoshop, you will see the version of Photoshop I'm using. This is Photoshop 27.0.0. So that is how to achieve that effect in Photoshop. For more Photoshop tutorials like this, kindly subscribe to this channel and wait for the next one. That's all for this video. I'll see you on the next one.